Welcome to English Trivia Games. Today's topic is present continuous. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time and let me know your score at the end. Harry is playing chess with Ron right now. Hurry up, we are waiting for you. She is not reading a book at the moment. Is she talking on the phone? My parents are cooking dinner in the kitchen. The dog is barking at someone. Kate is not drinking tea now. Are we walking in the right direction? Look, it is raining outside. She is flying a jet now. Can you believe it? Is he wearing a red shirt today? The cat is sleeping on the sofa. They are watching a funny video. Is Sam taking pictures now? Michael and Janet are singing a new song. He is washing his car right now. I am doing my homework. What about you? Is Amanda dancing salsa right there? Wait, I am buying that sandwich. Tom is walking home to play Minecraft today. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you passed this one, your next challenge is right here on the screen. Click it and I'll see you there.